Let's learn daily routine vocabulary. Bed. Bed. Can you say it with me? Bed. Okay, now it's your turn.
Bed.
Good. Crib. Crib. Can you repeat it with me? Crib. Perfect. Now it's your turn.
Crib.
Excellent. Wake up. Wake up. Can you say it with me? Wake up. Okay, now it's your turn.
Wake up.
Excellent. Changing table. Changing table. Can you repeat it with me? Changing table. Perfect. Now it's your turn.
Changing table.
Perfect. Diapers. Diapers. Can you say it with me? Diapers. Very good. Now it's your turn.
Diapers.
Excellent. Toothbrush. Toothbrush. Can you repeat it with me? Toothbrush. Good. Now it's your turn.
Toothbrush.
Perfect. Toothpaste. Toothpaste. Can you repeat it with me? Toothpaste. Okay, now it's your turn.
Toothpaste.
Excellent. Wash. Wash. Can you say it with me? Wash. Very good. Now it's your turn.
Wash.
Perfect. Water. Water. Can you repeat it with me? Water. Perfect. Now it's your turn.
Water.
Perfect. Soap. Soap. Can you repeat it with me? Soap. Excellent. Okay, now it's your turn.
Soap.
Excellent. Brush. Brush. Can you say it with me? Brush. Very good. Now it's your turn.
Brush.
Perfect. Towel. Towel. Can you repeat it with me? Towel. Okay, now it's your turn.
Towel.
Good. Dress up. Dress up. Can you say it with me? Dress up. Very good. Now it's your turn.
Dress up.
Very good. Clothes. Clothes. Can you repeat it with me? Clothes. Excellent. Now it's your turn.
Clothes.
Perfect. Pants. Pants. Can you say it with me? Pants. Good. Now it's your turn.
Pants.
Good. T-shirts. T-shirts. Can you repeat it with me? T-shirts. Excellent. Now it's your turn.
T-shirts.
Good. Socks. Socks. Can you say it with me? Socks. Good. Now it's your turn.
Socks.
Very good. Shoes. Shoes. Can you repeat it with me? Shoes. Perfect. Now it's your turn.
Shoes.
Excellent. Sneakers. Sneakers. Can you say it with me? Sneakers. Good. Now it's your turn.
Sneakers.
Perfect. Slipper. Slipper. Can you repeat it with me? Slipper. Very good. Now it's your turn.
Slipper.
Perfect. Sandals. Sandals. Can you say it with me? Sandals. Good. Now it's your turn.
Sandals.
Cheers. Boots. Boots. Can you repeat it with me? Boots. Okay, now it's your turn.
Boots.
Perfect. Coat. Coat. Can you say it with me? Coat. Very good. Now it's your turn.
Coat.
Excellent. Sweater. Sweater. Can you repeat it with me? Sweater. Good. Now it's your turn.
Sweater.
Perfect.
Club baby, everyone's invited to our party.
We hope that you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe for more.
Place for me under the